during the Easter day. And now, I guess which mean for put off most annoying sound effect.
What would you say for affected emotional disorder?
What was that?
I can't tell me, sir.
Why are those bunnies
So
running
confusing.
out?
What is your mental problem for the fear of
On every Easter Sunday, the Easter Bunny jokes.
I saw for those Gen Z
Now
watching
calm down.
on other
Listen
social
to
media in
children
high
when
school.
we surprise
I'm so
them.
annoyed to have to listen to the podcast, but
and listen to
è ora
talk.
di aspettare il grande uovo di
Why is
Pasqua.
your noise problem?
Because I swear for God, this stranger listening to
Here we go.
Stop shouting because I told you to talk for listener.
Can you stop talking for listen to me over mental health?